To start working with color in Illustrator, you'll learn what stroke and fill are, apply colors that come with each document, and then you'll make a new color using the color picker. To follow along, you can use your own file or you can open this file from the practice files. You'll start out by learning what stroke and fill are by selecting some artwork. So select the selection tool in the Tools panel on the left and click to select this large green shape. Shapes and other vector artwork as well as text in Illustrator can have a fill and a stroke. For this green shape, the green color is the fill and the red color is the stroke or border surrounding the fill. You can apply a solid color like the red or green, a gradient, which is basically a blend from one color to another, or a pattern to the fill or stroke of an object in Illustrator. Now, if you look in the Properties panel to the right of the document, you'll see a fill color and a stroke color for the selected artwork. Click the fill color, and you'll see an option for showing a series of default saved colors called swatches. There's also an option for mixing or creating your own color. Make sure the swatches option is selected. Each new document you create comes with a number of default swatches. Try clicking a few of the colors to see how they look in the document, and notice that there are some pattern and gradient swatches as well. Make sure you wind up with a red color in the shape. Now to change the stroke color for the selected shape. In this case, you'll remove it. So press Escape to hide the color panel. Click the stroke color below the fill color here in the Properties panel, and make sure that the swatches option is still selected. Choose the color None to remove the red stroke. Press Escape to hide the panel. Having default colors is a great way to jumpstart your design, but what if you want to make your own colors? You can use several methods in Illustrator, including using the color picker to do that. Next, you'll make a new color for the red shape on the right, so click to select it. The first thing you need to do is decide which color to change for the selected artwork, the fill or the stroke. If you look at the bottom of the Tools panel on the left, you'll see two boxes. They represent the fill and the stroke. To edit the fill, in this case, double-click the fill box to open the color picker. Now in the color picker dialog box, you can create color in a lot of ways. Visually, typing in exact number values, even choosing from existing color libraries that come with Illustrator. You'll create a color visually. If you drag in the color spectrum bar here, you can pick a color like a light blue color. To pick the exact color you want, you can then come into this color field and click. The color you selected is showing here. Now to apply the color to the fill of the selected shape, simply click OK. Making a color with the color picker is a great way to quickly create a color, but that color isn't automatically saved so that you can use it again. This red shape needs to have the same blue fill color as the blue you just created. If you want to apply the same formatting from one object to another, like the blue fill color, you can select the shape you want to change, then click another object with the eyedropper tool to apply the same color. So click to select this red shape. In the Tools panel on the left, select the eyedropper tool. Click the blue shape to apply the same fill and stroke to the red shape. You're essentially sampling the color. To deselect the artwork, choose Select, Deselect. Using color well can mean the difference between good design and great design. And now that you know how to apply and make your own colors, you can experiment freely and find the exact colors you need for your designs.